Hello students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. Now you might be thinking why to subscribe my channel, School Studies. In this channel you will get daily one video related to different topics such as English grammar, general knowledge, social science, mathematics and science, which will help you to understand and learn more. Today we will see a video related to mathematics subject. In that today's topic is NCERT solution for class 7 maths chapter 11 perimeter and area. Exercise 11.3 today we will solve. So let's solve textbook exercise. The first question is find the circumference of a circle with the following radius. Take pi equals to 22 upon 7. 14 centimeter radius is given. So radius of a circle 14 centimeter. Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into 14. So 7 and 14 we can cut. So 2 into 22 into 22. That is 88 centimeter. Next 28 centimeter radius. Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into 28. 7 and 28 we can cut. So 2 into 22 into 4, that is 176 centimeter. Next 21 centimeter. Circumference of a circle is given 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into 21. 7 and 21 we can cut. So 2 into 22 into 3, that is 132 centimeter. Question second, find the area of the following circles given that radius equals to 14 mm, take pi equals to 22 upon 7. So area of circle equals to pi r square. So 22 upon 7 into 14 square. So 22 upon 7 into 196. So 22 into 28. We can cut 7 and 196. So 22 into 28. So that is 616 mm square. Diameter 49 meter. Now diameter of a circle is given 49 meter. We want radius. So d upon 2. So 49 upon 2, that is 24.5 meter is the radius. Area of circle is pi r square. So 22 upon 7 into 24.5 whole square. So 22 upon 7 into 600.25. We can cut 7 and 600.25. So 22 into 85.75, that is 1886.5 meters square. Next radius is given 5 centimeter. So area of circle equals to pi r square. So 22 upon 7 equals to 5 square. 22 upon 7 into 25. We can't cut 7 and 25. So 22 into 25, that is 550 upon 7. That is 78.57 centimeters square. Third question, if the circumference of a circular sheet is 154 meter, find its radius. Also find the area of sheet. Take pi equals to 22 upon 7. Circumference is given 154 meter. So circumference of a circle equals to 2 pi r. So 154 equals to 2 into 22 upon 7 into r. Here 2 into 22 is 44 upon 7. So 154 equals to 44 upon 7 into r. So r equals to 154 upon into 7 upon 44. We can cut 44 and 154. So r equals to 14 into 7 upon 4. That is 7 into 7 upon 2. So 49 upon 2, that is r equals to 24.5 meter. Now area of circle pi r square. The 22 upon 7 into 24.5 meter, 24.5 whole square. So 22 upon 7 into 600.25, 22 into 85.75, that is 1886.5 meters square. Next, fourth question. A gardener wants to fence a circular garden of a diameter 21 meter. Find the length of the rope he needs to purchase. If he makes 2 rounds of fence, also find the cost of the rope. If it's cost rupees 4 meter per meter, take pi equals to 22 upon 7. Diameter of a circular garden 21 meter. Radius we want, so d upon 2, that is 21 upon 2, that is 10.5 meter. Circumference is 2 pi r, so 2 into 22 upon 7 into 10.5, that is 462 upon 7, that is 66 meter. Now length of the rope is required, so 2 into 66, that is 132 meter. So 1 meter, cost of 1 meter rope is 4. So cost of 132 meter rope is 4 into 132, that is rupees 528. Fifth question. From a circular sheet of a radius 4 centimeter, a circle of a radius 3 centimeter is removed. Find the area of the remaining sheet. Radius of a circular sheet is 4. So a circle of a radius to be removed r equals to 3 centimeter. So area of remaining sheet equals to pi r square minus r square. Here capital R we have taken for the regular sheet, circular sheet, and small r for removed. So pi bracket r square minus r square. So 3.14 bracket 4 square minus 3 square. So 3.14 bracket 16 minus 9. 3.14 into 7. That is 21.98 centimeters square. Next, Sama wants to put a lace on the edge of the circular table cover of diameter 1.5 meter. Find the length of the lace required and so find its cost if 1 meter of the lace cost rupees 15. Take pi equals to 3.14. Diameter of a circular table is 1.5 meter. We want radius, so d upon 2. So 1.5 upon 2, that is 0.75 meter. Circumference equals to 2 pi r. So 2 into 3.14 into 0.75, that is 4.71 meter. Length of lace equals to 4.71 meter. Cost of 1 meter equals to 15. So cost of 4.71 meter lace equals to, so 15 into 4.71, that is 70.65 rupees. Seventh question. Find the parameter of an adjoining figure which is semicircle including its diameter. Diameter of a semicircle is 10 centimeter. We want radius, so 10 upon 2, that is 5 centimeter. Circumference of a semicircle is pi r, so 22 upon 7 into 5. So 110 upon 7, that is 15.71 centimeter. Parameter of a given figure equals to circumference of a semicircle plus semicircle diameter. So 15.71 plus 10, so 25.71 meter. Eighth question. Find the cost of polishing a circular table top of diameter 1.6 meter if the rate of polishing is rupees 15 per meter square. Take pi equals to 3.14. Diameter of a circular tabletop is 1.6 meter. Radius we want, so d upon 2. So 1.6 upon 2, that is 0.8 meter. Area of circular tabletop equals to pi r square. So 3.14 into 0.8 square. So 3.14 into 0.8 into 0.8, that is 2.0096 meter square. Cost of polishing 1 meter square area equals to 15 rupees. So cost of polishing 2.0096 meter square equals to, we will multiply it with 15, so we will get 30.144. So rupees 30.14 cost is required for polishing 2.0096 meters square. Ninth question. Sazil took a wire of length 44 centimeter and bent it into the shape of circle. Find the radius of that circle, also find its area. If the same wire is bent into the shape of a square, what will be the length of each of its sides? Which figure encloses more area, the circle or the square? Take pi equals to 22 upon 7. Length is given 44 centimeter. If the wire is bent into circle, the circumference of a circle 2 pi r. So 44 equals to 2 into 22 upon 7 into r. So 44 equals to 44 upon 7 into r. So 44 into 7 upon 44 equals to r. So r equals to 7 centimeter. Area of circle equals to pi r square. So 22 upon 7 into 7 square. So 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7. So 22 into 7, that is 154 centimeters square. If the wire is bent into square, so length of the each square of side of square is 44 upon 4, that is 11 centimeter. Area of square equals to length of the side of square whole square. So 11 square, that is 121 centimeter square. By comparing the two areas of square and circle, clearly circle encloses more area. 10th question, from a circular card sheet of radius 14 centimeter, two circles of radius 3.5 centimeter and a length of rectangle of length 3 centimeter and breadth 1 centimeter are removed. Find the area of remaining sheet. Pi equals 22 upon 7. Radius is given 14 centimeter. Radius of two small circle is 3.5 centimeter. Length of rectangle is 3 centimeter. Breadth is 1 centimeter. Area of the circular card sheet is pi r square. So 22 upon 7 into 14 square. So 22 upon 7 into 14 into 14. We can cut 7 and 14. So 22 into 2 into 14. That is 616 centimeters square. Now area of two small circles equals to 2 into pi r square. 2 into 22 upon 7 into 3.5 whole square. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into 12.25. So 2 into 28.7. So 77 centimeters square. Area of rectangle equals to length into breadth. So 3 into 1, that is 3 centimeters square. Now the area of the remaining part, that is card sheet area minus area of two small circles plus rectangle area. So 616 minus 77 plus 3. 616 minus 80, that is 536 centimeter square. Question 11. A circle of a radius 2 centimeter is cut out from a square piece of an aluminium sheet of side 6 centimeter. What is the area of leftover aluminium sheet? Take pi equals to 3.14. Radius is given 2 centimeter square, sheet is given 6 centimeter. First we have to find out the area of square aluminium sheet and circle to find out the remaining area. So area of the square equals to side square, that is 6 square, that is 36 centimeters square. Area of circle equals to pi r square, that is 3.14 into 2 square, that is 3.14 into 2 into 2. So 3.14 into 4, that is 12.56 centimeters square. Now the area of the remaining part equals to area of aluminium square sheet minus area of circle. So 36 minus 12.56, that is 23.44 centimeters square. 12th question. The circumference of a circle is 31.4 centimeter. Find the radius and the area of the circle. Take pi equals to 3.14. Circumference of a circle is 3.14 centimeter. Circumference of circle equals to 2 pi r. So 31.4 equals to 2 into 3.14 into r. So 31.4 equals to 6.28 into r. 31.4 upon 6.28 equals to r. So r equals to 5 centimeter. Area of circle equals to pi r square. 3.14 into 5 square. So 3.14 into 25. So 78.5 centimeter. 13th question. A circular flower bed is surrounded by a path 4 meter wide. The diameter of a flower bed is 66 meter. What is the area of this path? Pi equals to 3.14. Diameter is given 66 meter. Radius we have to find, so 66 upon 2, that is 33 meter. Area of flower bed equals to pi r square. So 3.14 into 33 square, that is 3419.46 meter. Now we have to find the flower bed and part together. So flower radius of flower bed and the part together equals to 33 plus 4, that is 37 meter. So area of flower bed and part together equals to pi r square. So 3.14 into 37 square. So that is 4298.66 meters square. Finally, area of path equals to area of flower bed and path together minus area of flower bed. So 4298.66 minus 3419.46 meters square. That is 879.20 meters square. 14th question. A circular flower garden has an area of 314 meters square. Sprinkles of center of a garden can cover an area that has a radius of 12 meter, while the sprinkles waters the entire garden. Take pi equals to 3.14. So area of circular flower garden is 314 meters square. Sprinkles at the center is given radius 12 meter. Area of circular flower garden equals to pi r square. So 314 equals to 3.14 into r square. 314 upon 3.14 equals to r square. So r square equals to 100, r equals to 10 meter. So radius of a circular flower garden is 10 meter. The sprinkle can cover an area of radius 12 meter. Hence the sprinkle will water the whole garden. 15th question. Find the circumference of an inner and outer circle shown in the adjoining figure. Take pi equals to 3.14. Radius of inner circle equals to outer circle radius minus 10. So 19 minus 10, that is 9 meter. Circumference of inner circle equals to 2 pi r. So 2 into 3.14 into 9, that is 56.52 meter. Hence radius of outer circle equals to 19 meter. Circumference of outer circle equals to 2 pi r, that is 2 into 3.14 into 19, that is 119.32 meter. 16th question. How many times the wheels of a radius 28 centimeter must rotate to go 352 meter? Take pi equals to 22 upon 7. Radius of wheel equals 22 centimeter, 28 centimeter. Circumference of wheel equals to 2 pi r, that is 2 into 22 upon 7 into 28. So 2 into 22 into 4. We can cut 7 and 28. That is 156 centimeter. Now we have to find the number of rotation of wheels. The total distance to be covered upon circumference of wheel. So 352 meter upon 176 centimeter. So that is 35,200 centimeter upon 156 centimeter. That is 200 times the number of rotation of the wheel. 17th question. The minute hand of a circular clock is 15 centimeter long. How far does the tip of the minute hand move in 1 hour? Take pi equals to 3.14. So length of the minute hand of the circular clock is 15 centimeter. Distance traveled by the tip of minute hand is 1 hour equals to circumference of the clock. So 2 pi r, that is 2 into 3.14 into 15, that is 94.2 centimeter. So this was exercise 11.3. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in a comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.